Imagine the dust swirling, the clash of steel, and the thunderous roars of elephants under a blazing sun. The year is 1576, and Maharana Pratap, the indomitable ruler of Mewar, stands ready to defy the mighty Mughal Empire. In the rugged terrains of Haldighati, the air is thick with tension. The narrow mountain passes, colored with the iron-red soil, set the stage for a confrontation that is more than just a battle. It is a fierce assertion of freedom against imperial ambition. Here, Maharana Pratap, with his loyal Rajput warriors and their famed war horses, prepares to face an adversary whose forces outnumber his own. Maharana Pratap, known for his unyielding courage and deep love for his homeland, rides atop his loyal steed, Chetak. The Mughal forces, led by the seasoned General Man Singh Vast, represent the expansive ambitions of Emperor Akbar. The Mughals, equipped with a formidable combination of cavalry, infantry, and artillery, present a daunting challenge. Yet the spirit of the Rajputs is undeterred, fueled by their fierce leader and their resolve to protect their land at all costs. As the battle commences, the clash of Rajput steel against Mughal armor echoes through the valley. Maharana Pratap, employing both traditional combat tactics and strategic acumen, maneuvers his forces with precision. Despite the numerical superiority of the Mughal army, Pratap's tactics ensure that they pay dearly for every inch of ground they gain. The significance of the Battle of Haldighati extends far beyond the immediate military outcomes. It stands as a testament to the Rajput ethos of valor, honor, and the preference for sovereignty over subjugation. This battle marks a pivotal moment in the long-standing resistance against Mughal domination, inspiring countless generations with tales of bravery and strategic warfare. Though not a clear victory, Maharana Pratap's fierce resistance at Haldighati became a legendary symbol of valor and defiance. Rewind to the serene landscapes of Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan, where in 1540 a future warrior king was born. In the cradle of royalty, nestled among the rugged Aravalli hills, Maharana Pratap came into the world as the son of Maharana Uday Singh Deccan. His birth into the esteemed Sisodia Rajput family, a lineage renowned for its valor and adherence to tradition, predestined him for a life intertwined with the destiny of his people. The era of Maharana Pratap's early life was marked by the growing ambitions of the Mughal Empire under Akbar, who sought to extend his dominion over the fiercely independent Rajput states. This political landscape set the stage for young Pratap's upbringing, where the air he breathed was thick with talks of sovereignty and resistance. From a tender age, Pratap was immersed in the ethos of his ancestors, learning the arts of warfare and governance. His childhood was a tapestry of rigorous training and profound stories of bravery, which shaped him into a formidable figure. Raised amidst the tales of honor and courage, young Pratap was groomed to be not just a ruler, but a stalwart defender of his kingdom's sovereignty. The year 1572 marked a turning point for Mewar, as Pratap ascended the throne amidst great challenges. Upon the death of his father, Maharana Uday Singh II, the young Pratap faced a realm fraught with danger and dissent. The throne of Mewar, a kingdom celebrated for its fierce independence, beckoned Pratap, but not without contest. Amidst internal familial disputes and the looming threat of external aggression, his coronation was not just a ceremonial passage, but a trial by fire. As Pratap took the mantle of leadership, the eyes of the Mughal Empire, led by Emperor Akbar, were firmly fixed on Mewar. Akbar, whose empire was expanding rapidly across the Indian subcontinent, sought to bring Mewar under his suzerainty through diplomacy or force. Envoys from Akbar arrived, bearing demands for tribute and allegiance. Yet Maharana Pratap stood resolute. His refusal to bow to the Mughal emperor was not merely a denial of submission, but a bold statement of sovereignty. He understood that acknowledging Mughal supremacy would compromise the cherished autonomy of Mewar. With the crown came immense responsibility, and Maharana Pratap was ready to defend his realm at all costs. The battlefields had changed, but Maharana Pratap's resolve never wavered. After the Battle of Haldighati, Maharana Pratap adopted the tactics of guerrilla warfare, a method as rugged as the Aravalli ranges themselves. These strategies were not just about ambushes or sudden strikes, they were about making the land of Mewar itself a participant in the resistance. The Mughal forces, despite their strength and numbers, found themselves constantly harassed by Pratap's forces. The dense forests, steep valleys, and unpredictable terrain of the Aravallis played to the advantages of Pratap's men, who were adept at using the landscape to their benefit. Maharana Pratap's commitment to reclaiming his kingdom was undeterred by the challenges he faced. He worked tirelessly to rebuild his army, gathering support from the local tribes and chieftains who shared his fervor for independence. This period was marked by numerous skirmishes and battles where Pratap managed to regain significant territories that had fallen under Mughal control. Each victory, though often not decisive, was a step towards the larger goal of liberating Mewar. Living in the rugged terrains of the Aravallis was no small feat. The harsh conditions demanded a leader of extraordinary resilience, and Maharana Pratap was just that leader. His life in these highlands was a testament to his unyielding spirit. The simplicity and austerity of his lifestyle in these years reflected his dedication to his cause. It was here that Pratap not only planned his military strategies but also connected with his people, sharing their hardships, which in turn galvanized them to stand united against the formidable Mughal Empire. Even in the face of relentless adversity, Maharana Pratap's spirit remained unbroken, inspiring his men and future generations. His story is not just one of battle and resistance, but also of immense personal sacrifice and the unshakable will to uphold one's principles against all odds. As the sun set on January 19, 1597, a great warrior's journey came to an end, but his legacy was immortalized in the annals of history. Maharana Pratap, the Lion of Mewar, left behind a region still embroiled in conflict. Despite his failing health and the war-torn conditions of his kingdom, the Maharana remained a steadfast symbol of resistance against the Mughal Empire until his last breath. The circumstances of Maharana Pratap's death were as poignant as his life. It is said that he died of injuries sustained in hunting, a pastime he was fond of, but which turned fatal due to his weakened health from years of battling the formidable Mughal forces. At the time of his death, Mewar was at a crossroads, grappling with the relentless advances of the Mughal army yet buoyed by the indomitable spirit of its leader. Following his death, the mantle of leadership passed to his son, Amar Singh, who inherited not just the kingdom of Mewar but also the heavy responsibility of continuing his father's legacy of resistance. Amar Singh proved to be a capable leader, persisting in his defiance against the Mughals. Under his leadership, Mewar continued to uphold the values of sovereignty and resistance that Maharana Pratap had fought so valiantly for. This transition marked the continuation of a struggle that would define the region's history for generations. Reflecting on Maharana Pratap's contributions, his legacy extends far beyond the battlefield. He has become an enduring symbol of resistance and valor in Indian history. His dedication to his land and people has immortalized him as a hero in Rajasthani and broader Indian culture. Festivals celebrate his life, statues and memorials stand in his honor, and stories of his bravery are passed down through generations, inspiring countless others. Indeed, Maharana Pratap's life was a testament to the enduring spirit of freedom and the unyielding love for one's motherland. His story is not just one of war and resistance, but also of profound love and commitment to the cultural identity and autonomy of his people. The tale of Maharana Pratap remains a beacon of inspiration for all who value freedom and fight to preserve their heritage against overwhelming odds. From the fierce battles to the relentless struggle for sovereignty, Maharana Pratap's story is a poignant reminder of valor and resilience. As we have journeyed through the remarkable life of this iconic warrior king, we have seen the contours of a legend who shaped much of what we consider the ethos of resistance and leadership. Maharana Pratap's life was marked by significant episodes, from the defining Battle of Haldigati, where he faced off against the mighty Mughal Empire, to his unyielding commitment to not submit to foreign rule. His ascension to the throne was not merely a ceremonial passage, but a beacon of hope for his people during tumultuous times. The guerrilla tactics he employed, adapting to the rugged terrains of the Aravallis, showcased his strategic acumen and deep understanding of his land and its people. His later life, a testament to his enduring spirit, was spent in persistent struggle to reclaim his kingdom, which he did piece by piece, never fully succumbing to the overwhelming forces against him. Even in death, Maharana Pratap left behind a legacy of fierce independence and resistance against subjugation, inspiring generations long after him. Why then does Maharana Pratap remain such a revered figure in Indian history? It is perhaps because he epitomizes the quintessential hero, standing firm in the face of adversity, embodying the spirit of an India that was, and continues to be, fiercely protective of its sovereignty and cultural identity. His story is not just one of battle and bravery, but also of moral integrity and steadfastness. To truly appreciate the depth of Maharana Pratap's impact and the complexities of his struggles, one must delve deeper into the rich tapestry of India's historical figures. Each figure offers unique insights into the resilience and tenacity that define the human spirit. Maharana Pratap, a mere name in the vast timeline of history, yet a name that stands tall and proud, echoing the undying spirit of independence and courage.